Hello everyone, this next video on electric uke playing is about So Pure by Alanis Morissette. I'm doing the live version from Woodstock 99, and I'm really just playing two chords in this performance, a B and a P. And there's no octaving or special foolywang going on in the zoom patch. So why is this hard? Well, the verse part is picking, but I'm not playing any particular or repeating pattern. It's just notes that feel good. And there's some improv to it, and so you can work on developing a feel for the groove. At the beginning, I'm also plucking my second string, letting it resonate and fading it in with the volume knob. And I'm doing that to suggest the noise or feedback in the recording that gives the live song a dirty, rocky start. That's what I'm doing, and then there is a riff at the chorus end. Or you could do it like this. Whichever's easier for your fingers. That's it, no more talk. Tune your uke and let's do it.